weapon you put?
So many.
Find out on a brand new Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn. Saturday at 8. On Nick. The all-new Double Dare.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. Police are looking for two heavily armed and dangerous men who had just committed a robbery at the downtown Grand Casino and Hotel. The men have fired numerous rounds of ammunition inside both the hotel and casino areas, and many people have been seriously injured. The men were able to take off with tens of millions of dollars before fleeing the area on foot, just minutes before police could arrive. The men are both described as white males. One man is about 6 feet tall, average build, and was seen wearing a dark gray button-up jacket, blue jeans, black tennis shoes, a red baseball cap and sunglasses. The second man is heavier set, about 5 foot 6 inches, to 5 foot 9 inches tall, has a lazy eye, and was seen wearing a brown t-shirt with blue jeans, a gold belt, white shoes, and a black fedora. They were believed to be heading toward the downtown area but could be anywhere within city limits. Police are asking civilians to assist in the capture of these men as well as remaining vigilant, as these men are armed and proven dangerous. If you spot these men, you need to take no further action other than to call 911. Once again, these men are armed and extremely dangerous and have already fired rounds of ammunition at civilians. Do not approach or attempt to stop these men. Call 911 immediately.
No matter how much you clean, does your house still smell stuffy? That's because your home is filled with soft surfaces that trap odors and release them back into the room. So try